How often you clean your air conditioning coils matters for efficiency and equipment life. Clean evaporator and condenser coils at least once a year, and inspect them monthly during peak seasons. For homes in dusty environments or near heavy pollen sources, increase cleaning to every 3 months to prevent buildup that reduces heat transfer. If you have pets or overhanging trees, check coils more often and remove hair, leaves, and debris by hand before using a gentle rinse. Always power the unit off and follow the manufacturer instructions for access panels and drain management. Use a soft brush and a non-acidic coil cleaner for stubborn grime and allow full drying before reassembly to avoid compressor issues from trapped moisture. For indoor evaporator coils, also inspect and replace or clean filters on a monthly schedule during heavy use to reduce particulate load on the coils. When corrosion, bent fins, or oil film appear, consult a qualified technician, because these signs can indicate refrigerant or mechanical faults beyond routine cleaning. Common mistakes include waiting until performance drops, which lets the coils become deeply fouled and reduces cooling capacity. Avoid this by sticking to a scheduled inspection and cleaning timeline. Another issue is using high-pressure water or harsh acids that can bend fins or strip protective coatings. Instead, rinse gently, use approved cleaners, and straighten fins carefully with a fin comb. People often forget to power off the unit and block drains, which risks electrical shock or water damage. Always disconnect power and confirm drainage before cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers tools to post projects and browse professionals in our area. We also host a discussion community where we share real owner experiences and maintenance tips to help both homeowners and contractors find the right matches.